Hello friends, today we're gonna dive into the solar system to find the most interesting facts about it. Are you ready for another exciting episode of Factology? Let's start. You can't stand on Uranus. Uranus clouds are made up of hydrogen sulfide, meaning they have a very similar smell to rotten eggs. Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune don't have solid surfaces, they have a rocky core, but are mainly big balls of hydrogen and helium. Speaking about Uranus, did you know that Uranus spins sideways? Mars is cold as the South Pole. If you're traveling to Mars anytime soon, be sure to bring your big coat. Its average temperature is roughly -60 degrees. When I say Rinks, what was the first planet you have think about? I bet that's Saturn, but did you know? Jupiter, Uranus and Neptune have rings too. But Saturn's rings are the biggest and brightest. Saturn is the first planet ever discovered in our history. You can see its rings only by using a small telescope. An astronomer named Galileo was the first person to see Saturn rings. Saturn's rings are 90% water. Saturn is home to the solar system's most epic ice rink. Being so far from the sun, the water in its rings is frozen into ice. Jupiter's largest moon has a salty ocean that contains more water than on Earth. If you want vast ocean views, Jupiter's biggest moon, Ganymede, is the place to be. The moon is larger than Mercury and would be classed as a planet if it were orbiting the sun rather than Jupiter. Speaking about Jupiter moon, did you know that Jupiter has 53 named and 14 unnamed moons? All planets are named after names of gods except the Earth. All of the other solar system planets are then named after Roman gods except Uranus, which takes its name from the Greek god of the sky Uranus. Our Sun is massive. In fact, its mass is around 330,000 times that of Earth and accounts for 99.86% of the total mass in our solar system. We are already in the middle of this episode. If you learned something new and so far you enjoy the video, now it's the perfect time to support me by give this video a like. It won't hurt, I promise. Okay, let's continue with more facts about solar system. A day is longer than a year on Venus. Venus rotates clockwise, and it spins much slower than the other planets in solar system. Some scientists believe this is due to it being knocked into a different direction by another planet, or it just gradually slowed to a halt then started turning the other way. It takes 243 Earth days for Venus to do one complete rotation, and 225 Earth days to orbit the Sun. Venus has a thick, toxic atmosphere filled with carbon dioxide, and it's perpetually shrouded in thick, yellowish clouds of sulfuric acid that trap heat, causing a runaway greenhouse effect. It's the hottest planet in our solar system, even though Mercury is closer to the Sun. All comets we see originate from within the solar system. There are currently around 4,500 known comets in our solar system, although that number is likely to be significantly higher. Space isn't as far away as you might think. The Kármán line, located around 62 miles above Earth, marks the technical starting point of space. If you could drive your car straight up into the sky, you'd reach this mark in less than 1 hour. That's less than some people drive to work each day. There are so many stars in our solar system that they outnumbered the tiny grains of sand that litter all of Earth's beaches combined. Just within our galaxy, the Milky Way, there are an estimated 200 to 400 billion stars. The Earth moon is 400 times smaller than the Sun, It's also about 400 times closer to Earth than the Sun. From Earth, the Moon and the Sun appear to be roughly the same size in the sky. Okay friends, we have come to the end of this video. If you still have some time and you like cars, don't miss out my other video, Supercars by 2023. It will appear somewhere in bottom left corner.